Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got something from Japan. This is a package from 5 a.m. Ramen. Here's the link right here to check it out. And they've got some really good stuff. Let's crack this open and have a look inside. Oh, wow. So the stuff that comes in a box from 5 a.m. Ramen usually is really high-end, so I don't know exactly what each and every variety that comes in this box is probably going to be, but I will find out, and yeah, so let's start looking through it. I'll see what I can figure out. First off, we've got a fancy collaboration between Marshawn, it looks like, and 7-Eleven Japan. I don't know exactly what this is, but this looks really, really fancy, and yeah, looks good. So this is Nissan Kanzen meal. It's definitely in the same packages as Rao bowls come in. I don't know what this is. There's a picture of a pig on it, so it's definitely pork. Yeah, looks like a really nice high-end variety. I'm looking forward to this. And here's a Marshawn variety. This, I think, might be some kind of shoyu. Maybe it's got back fat powder, the sibura. I don't know. But what I do know is when I've seen the Marshawn logo with this little try logo, usually these are really, really good. I've had a couple in the past, so yeah, we'll have to give this a try. And another one from a collaboration of 7-Eleven, but this time with Miojo. This looks like it's either a miso or a tonkatsu. I'm not sure. Do I see corn? I don't see corn. I'm going to go with this as a tonkatsu. It's a 7-Eleven Premium Gold variety. So, yeah. And another fancy 7-Eleven Premium to round out this set. This says Nakiryu on it. It looks dark. It kind of makes me think maybe it's a spicy one. I really don't know. Well, thank you very much to the folks over at 5 a.m. Ramen for sending this over. This is stuff you are not going to find on the shelves at your Asian grocery in the United States. I can guarantee you that. This stuff has pork, chicken, beef, all sorts of meat products in it, and these are very much on the premium end of the stick in Japan. So yeah, thank you. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.